up, you guys? It's your girl, LikeeLyx, and tonight I'm going to play Resident Evil 3 demos. That's right. So, kaka-download ko lang ng demo, and I'm going to play this, and I hope I will get to see Nemesis, and wala akong idea kung anong part nung demo meron. Wala talaga akong idea. So, anyway, let's start the game. This new plague is spreading at a terrifying rate, embedding itself in the corpses already shambling the city streets. Jill has encountered immense difficulties in her attempt to escape. Oh my god, di pa ako tapos magsalita. Hi, Jill! Hi, sis!
Could use our help.
Yeah, that fine young lady is Jill Valentine.
Carlos, you didn't even think to ask fine young lady her name?
Oh my god, Carlos, di mo man lang siya
She is
pinakilala.
an elite operative of RPD, Special Tactics and Rescue Service.
That's true, she is the girl.
Is something Valentine.
It's Jill.
Jill.
Same pa kami. Same tayo, Beshi.
I am UBCS Platoon Leader Mikhail Victor.
Mikhail
My team was
Victor.
sent here to rescue civilians.
May sugat siya. Pero parang walang paki si Beshi.
The city is completely cut off, isolated. Most of the 100,000 civilians will wind up dead. Correction, undead.
Fed up na si Jill.
My platoon has suffered serious losses. Just keeping them alive is more than I can do.
Hi,
Oh, you
Pogi.
can thank the corporate overlords for
Hello.
Yes. Well, we are doing all we can. If we can get this subway train moving, we can
MRT.
evacuate some survivors.
Also, survivors pala sila.
My men cannot do this alone.
So pretty, Jill. What's your skincare routine?
that. All right.
Loving that glass effect. Glass skin.
But I like yours.
Glass skin despite the zombie outbreak.
Cool, we all want the same thing.
Hi, Pogi, again.
Jill.
You're welcome, Mikhail.
Alright, super cop. Here you go.
Yeah, that's right. I'm a super
Stay in
cop
contact.
because I'm a super girl.
I know what a radio is.
Oh, damn, Carlos.
Okay, first things first. We need to get you geared up.
Okay.
Head up to
Oh,
street
I'm
level.
controlling this
You'll
one.
find supplies there.
Hi, Jill. You look so poggy. Ay, ganda. You're ganda and poggy.
Shit, Captain. They really took a chunk out of you.
Nothing that I will miss.
Wait. Ah, first aid spray. It's green. Parang bygone. Oh my god. Don't tell me by... Oh, ako na nagko-control. Hehe. Wait, hindi mo ako sasamahan? Akala ko sabi mo bibigyan mo akong supplies. Can I have your gun, please? Can I? Okay, obviously hindi. Oh, I can run. Hi, survivors. It's me, Jill Valentine. Heh. Anyway, let's go out. Wear it out. Wear out. Worn out tees. Anyway. Lobster. Party, party. Okay, so obviously I can't go to the left side. So handgun ammo. Yeah, I need the bala. UBCS ammo crafting guide. On the battlefield, if you run out of ammo, your gun's about as useful as a wet fart. Okay, fine. Want to stay alive out there? Then get these basic formulas into your skull. Gunpowder ×2. Okay, the usual. Same pa rin as RE3 Remake. Once you've stocked up, get out of there and join the party! Let's give those dead motherfuckers something to eat. Just make sure you don't become dessert. The poster! Dito yung poster, si Nemesis. Yes, April 3rd. I'm excited. Hopefully makuha ko siya on time kasi sarado ang malls ngayon. Astro Crunch, Piggy E. I'm not sure if this is an Easter egg. Anyway, let's go. Another poster! Oh, nakabigla. Woo, nabigla ako sa tunog na yun kung alam nyo lang. So, to those who are asking, I am using headphones while playing this one. And rinig ko yung sound. So, from left to right, ang ganda ng sound. Tyrant! Tyrant of the Deep. Okay, so this is the map. Raccoon City! Supposedly, di ba dapat nandito yung you are here sign? Pero wala. Anyway. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Bago ako umakyat. Wait. Tingin-tingin muna sa paligid. Baka merong something. Merong something. Tabloid front page. The Cannibal Murders, a complete digest. In the gray of the morning on September 25th, a frantic caller telephoned the RPD to report an assault. A man described as disheveled like a vagrant was attacking a passerby north of Lamb Museum Art. The responding officers discovered the mutilated corpse of a woman by some dumpsters nearby. Dozens of bite marks covered her body, and she had been dismembered. Oh, damn. Suggesting she had been eaten. The third known incident of its kind to occur in Raccoon City this month. So, who done it? Who's been munching on man's steak? We here at News Comment have a gnawing feeling that the so-called cannibal disease patient Spencer Memorial has been providing free treatment for since August might not be settling for just the cafeteria food. Our reporters have infiltrated Spencer Memorial, asked the tough questions, and come back with horror stories that will make your stomach royal. Turn the page for the scoop. Okay. So, obviously, may zombie. Ito. Okay, wala lang to. Okay, let's go, baby girl.
Jill, it's me again. You topside yet?
So what's the plan?
Well, let's take the escalator.
You mind getting the subway infrastructure back online?
And how do I do that?
Let's start by restoring power. I'll navigate you to the substation once you hit the main road.
Copy that.
Green
Let's do
herb!
this fast.
Oh, bakit ayaw? Ayun. Green herb. Okay, another green herb. Gunpowder. And another gunpowder. Okay. Combining items. Okay, I know this one. So, I just need to combine gunpowder with another gunpowder. Then, voila. Another bala. I need all the bala. And I remember you from RE2. Haha. Red herb! Okay, so I'm gonna combine... Ay, wait. I'm gonna combine you agad. I'm gonna combine you na agad. Combine. Yay! Okay. Raccoon City ulit. Oh my god, scary yung tunog. Are you something? Okay, wala lang. Herb Field Manual. There's no place in the UBC for blah 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 blah. Oh, I know this one. Green herb times 2. Green herb plus red herb. Yun yung ginawa natin kanina. And first aid spray. We can't make it. Okay. We need to grab them. Okay. Ticket. Pabili po ng ticket para sa MRT. Magkano? $1. $1.25. So, magkano yon? Times 53 pesos. Okay, I'm not good with math. Kaya na mag-compute nun. Clock Tower Commemoration. Hey! Let's go, let's go. Wait. Box pala to! So, this is a save point? Okay, I'll keep you here. I'll store you here pala. No, I'll store you there lang. Ikaw dito ka lang. No. Move. I need you to move here. Confirm. Okay. Oh my god, di ko napansin. Save room pala to. Bakit walang music? Supposedly may music to ah. Anyway. Can I open my flashlight? Okay, no. Ang dilim. Okay, let's go out. Oh my god. For sure may zombie. I know this one. Nakikita ko sa videos.
Gotta get that train moving.
A clown zombie! Wait, headshot. Headshot! Another headshot. Oh my god, run! Oh my god, nakakahiya. Run farther away. Okay, headshot lang, girl. Yun. Headshot pa. Okay. Are you dead? Oh, tumas yung kamay niya bigla. Slay that death. So are you RE2 dead or are you really dead? Okay, you're RE2 dead. So layo muna ng konti sa'yo and try to headshot you again. Headshot! Ang galing! One shot lang. So are you dead now? Okay. Yak, ang pangit ng tunog. May mga dead people. Oh, I see you. Merong ganito sa RE2 Remake. And I'm gonna kill you. Pew! So what happens? Hindi ako pwede lumapit. Okay. Aha! Ikaw yon. I see you. Toy uncle. Meron pa ba dito? Okay, I can run again. Okay, let's go through here. Okay, hindi pwede. Let's go through here. Oh, scary. Ito, haha. Handgun ammo. Oh, I see that shadow. That scary shadow. Okay, so that means may zombie. Are you eating something? Oo nga, you're eating something nga. Oh my god, familiar tong scene na to sa RE2 Remake. Sa loob ng police station. Headshot! Run! Nagkukunwari ka lang patay. Uy, I know your face! Ginamit ka sa RE2. Oh my god, one shot lang! That's the perfect headshot. Anyway. I know you're still alive. Kaya ba kitang i-knife lang? Knife! Okay, oops. Kailangan kong... oh my god. Oh, I dodged. So, yun pala yung dodge. Wait. Headshot! Uy, galing. Puro one shot ah. Nice. Pero hindi nag-explode yung head niya. Anyway. Chill walk lang tayo, girl. Chill walk. Ano to? Wala, basura lang. Chill walk. Are you dead? Okay, you're dead. Oh. Okay. So, tumawid lang ako. Quick step. Yun nga, yung dodge mechanic. Nagawa ko na siya kanina. Uy, beer! Bubble beer! Zapata beer. Ay! I can open this one? Oh, okay. So, kailangan ko ng bolt cutter siguro? I don't know kung meron ganun dito. A little wine to mind... Huh? To mind them... I don't know. Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. Chos. Hindi to stable ah. Hello! Di nyo mahawakan. Hehehe. Ha! Yung chan niya! Jiggly! Ha! Jiggly-chan. Jiggly Tommy. Rar 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 rar. Mabuti pa si kuya. Chill lang. Hi kuya. Chill lang. Nganga lang. Ha? Hotdog. Ha. He'll never get me. Ha. Anyway, I know this box. Gunpowder. Haha. Oops.
Carlos, I've reached the main avenue. Which way do I go?
See a big transmission tower? That's the substation. You'll have to
Layo.
circle around through an alley to your right to get there.
You mean the
May
alley that's on
apoy.
fire?
Maybe. Surely a tall drink of water like yourself can put out a few flames.
Fuck you.
Ha, that's right, Carlos. Fuck you. I'ma fuck you. Hi, friends. Uy, may kamukha ka. Hey, wait, are you a girl? Oh, yeah, you're a girl. Akala ko guy ka. Anyway.
Gotta put this out.
Bakit familiar ka? Galing ka bang RE2? You look familiar. Anyway. Huh. Circle. Can I knife you? Okay, huwag ko na sayangin oras ko. Heh. Let's do this for the science. Pew! Oh. Wala talaga. Uy, pero in fairness, may gun mark. See the gun mark. Anyway. Let's go. And explore Raccoon City. Saan ako lulusot dito? Oh shit! Sabi ko na nga be. Sabi ko na. Hindi talaga stable yung gate na yan. Okay, kaya natin to, Maring Jill. Ay, wait lang. Red. Pwede ba to? Science! Oh my God! Science rules. Kaso nga lang, hindi ka namatay. Headshot. 2 headshots. 3 headshots! Haha, you died. I'm na knife you ulit. Kasi... Ha! Haha! 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 Patay ka na talaga? Haha! No mercy! No mercy! Oh my God, that sound. Hi! Bye! Yung sound nung pag-kill, very squishy. Parang tomatoes. Squish, squish, squish. Gym Scrap, Storehouse, Blue Mountain. Donuts! I love donuts. Ang cute ng donuts dito. Ang cute ng black dresses! Hi, ate girl. Do you like those dresses? Wait. Headshot! 1 headshot. Haha! Knife! Can I knife you? Oh my God! So, hindi ko pa siya pwedeng i-knife. Totally. Pero try lang ulit. Ayun. I'ma knife you, pussy. Knife, pussy. Ops, ops, ops. Wait lang. Lalayo ko konti. Oh my God! Dami nila. Wait. You first. 1 headshot. 2 headshot. Oh my God! Perfect! Perfect. I love it. Next. 1 headshot. Oh, natanggal yung sombrero mo. 2 headshot. 3 head... Ay, fuck. I missed. Ah, lalayo ka na? You're giving up? Because I'm so good? Oo nga, lumayo nga siya. Quits na, pre. Ayaw na. Tap out na. 3 headshot. Haha. And I'ma knife you, just to be sure. I'ma knife you. I'ma knife your dick. Okay, you died. Saan yung isa? Ah, nandiyan ka pa lang. Wait lang, reload. 3 na lang yung bala ko kanina. Okay. First headshot. Second headshot. Ay, mali. I missed. Third headshot. Oh my God, ano ba? Wait, relax, relax. Fourth headshot. Ay, fuck, I missed. Fourth headshot. Yeah. Ah, ang jiggly ng tummy niya. I'ma knife her tummy. Ah, you died. You died. You died. Okay, sure kill ka na. Yay! This place is safe na. Portable generator. I like the black dresses. I prefer... Para siyang garbage bag. I prefer this one. Anyway, let's go. The mannequins from RE2! I mean, RE7. Haha, they're back. So, saan ang pupunta? Right or left? Right or left? Let's go! Right. Ay, right. Left to. Oh my God. Nalilito na ako. Nalilito na ako sa Raccoon City. Oops. Ano to? Are you dead? Ah, you're dead. Aha! Shit, di ko alam yung code. Drugstore owner's journal. This new hair tonic from Umbrella is just flying off the shelves. Blah, blah, blah. Ay, wait! Di pa ako tapos! Wait! Di pa ako tapos! Paano ko babasahin yun? Oh. Okay. Ito ang map. So, I'm here! Ay, ang galing! Nakikita din kung saan direction ako nakatingin. I love this. Parang Google Maps lang. And files. Ito yung binabasa ko kanina. So, page 2. I need to know page 2. Ayun. Ay, no. Page 2. The new safe is just perfect. Nobody knows the code, not even my wife. It's a secret between me and my beautiful Aquacure queen, and she'd never give it up for a thief. Okay, so I need to find Aquacure queen. Wait, pala yun ang mapa. Oh. Okay. Ito. Gunpowder. Nakakarinig ako ng zombie. Oh my god, ang ganda ng sound. If only naririnig nyo to through headphones. Oh no, ang bilis niya. One headshot. Oh my god, I missed! Run! Okay, wait lang. Chill. Chill. Uh-huh. I missed. 2 headshot. 2 headshot. Ang gulit ng ulo mo. 3 headshot. Oh my god. 3 headshot. Ayoko na. Tagal mo mamatay in fairness. 4 headshots. 5 headshots. 6 headshots! And I'ma knife you. I'ma knife your ass. Wait, sure ka na bang patay ka? Okay, I'll take that as a yes. Yee, yung tunog. Squishy. Anyway, sure ka nang patay ka. Wait. Parang nakakarinig pa ako. Okay, anyway. It's just my footsteps siguro. Okay. Handgun na mo. Oh! Ate, yung position mo. Are you okay, ate girl? Wait, just to be sure. I'ma knife you. What? Nag-auto-reverse si Jill. Okay. Okay, sure dead ka na. Wait lang, wala kang sapatos? Oh my god, nakapaa ka lang? Ay, hindi, nakasandals ka naman. Okay, good ate girl. Let's go. Sa labas ulit. May pharmacy! Let's go sa pharmacy. Oh, sabi ko na nga ba eh. Sabi ko na, zombie! Fuck you, zombie. Oh, saan na to? High grade! Gunpowder! Wait. I'ma mix you. Combine you pala. Yehey! Shotgun shells. Now I need shotgun. I need shotgun po. "1984 Smashes." Hi! Oy! Naalala ko. Sewers part. Oh my god, ano ba yan? Relax, Likey, relax. Okay, then kill with the knife. Just to be sure. So, sure ka nang patay ka, ha? Oh, sure ka nang patay ka. Ito na si Aquacure! 918. Okay, call me. 918. Okay, pero mas maganda pa rin si Jill. Ano to? Handgun ammo. Ang scary nung tunog. Lalo na ng ilaw na nagsusway. Anyway. Wait. Sasakyan to? Oh my. So, sasakyan, tinamaan tong taong to. Well, tao pa ba siya? We'll never know. Well, we'll know. If we may radar bullet! Okay, mamix yung mamaya. Sana meron akong makuhang save point. Save box, save point. Ito, can I go here? Kite Rose Railway. Maybe I can. Oh yeah, I can. Scary shit. Are you dead? Dead? I'm ready. My knife is ready. Ah, oh, patay ka nga. Sabi ko na. Sabi ko na, zombie. Bakit ang likot ng ulo mo, please? Huwag mo likutan ulo mo. Relax, Likey. Relax. Chill, chill, chill. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. Buhay ka pa? Ah! You died. You died with my knife attack. Oh. Yung fire hose! Just what I need. Huh. Subway employees memo. Oh. Violence getting shotgun. Cut the chain. Uy, wala akong pangkat. Shit. Wala akong pangkat. My God. Please, sana walang zombie. Okay, wala naman. Grenade! Fuck, wala akong space. Gunpowder. Kaya? Gunpowder? Oh, hindi. Pwede ko itong i-mix dito. Combine. Haha. Ay, hindi. Pwede pa rin. Wait. Combine with this. Yay! I have space. Yay! What's this?
This must be the subway company's offices.
Thank you for telling me, Jill. Huh.
Nothing.
Railway manual. The stations at which the train will stop, as well as which track segments will be used. If the route entered is unsafe, an error will occur. Okay. Uy! RE! Resident Evil! FO, friendship over? I don't know. Uy, donuts! May donuts! Donuts. Kuha kang donut, Jill. Kuha kang donut. Kunin mo yung pink one. Ano? Ano yung nakalagay sa calendar? September! September! Okay, wala na dito. Ay, may aircon. Ano to? Oh, you look familiar. Ah, kapares mo yung bote doon sa ano, sa RE7 when doon sa cruise ship. Tapos gamit namin si Mia. I'm playing as Mia. Hi. Can I go there sa donuts? I'll kill... Oh, wait lang. May narinig ako. Oh my God, meron nga. 1 shot. 2 shots. 3 shots. Haha. 1 shot. 2 shots. 3 shots! Oh my God, I'm sorry, Jill. Nice. Meron pang isa. Uy, ikaw ba yung girl na nasa stairs kanina? Naging zombie ka. Another one. Haha. I'ma knife you. Oh my God! Pares pa kayo. Ayoko na. Tatakbo na ako. Wait, check ko muna dito. Baka merong something. Ano to? Meron dito? Amo! Wait. May door dito, di ba? Oh. Gunpowder. Oh, wala na akong space. Kitchen. Oh my god! This is a save point. Jill, okay ka lang? I'm so sorry. Wait. Yay! So, pwede akong maglagay na dito. Which one? Um, um, wait. Iko-combine muna kita, ha? Combine. Ay, hindi pwede. Ito. Can I? Can I? No. So, hindi pwede. Ano ba? Caution pa lang naman ako eh. Wait, but I need you. Another green herb. Okay, I'm gonna combine you. Combine. Okay. And I'll put you here. Store. And I think I'll use you na. Ano, I'll use this one muna. Take out. Okay. So I'll use you para and I'ma get you. So that I can get my beautiful shotgun. Wait lang, ganda ng music. Let's appreciate the music muna. And appreciate Jill's sexy body. Oh, I love the the RPD insignia. Insignia, no. The badge pala, insignia. Hi, Jill, you look so pretty. Anyway, let's go. Let's kill some zombies. There's a donut, pink donut. And my matcha. The pink donut, chocolate with candy sprinkles. And may pahabang donuts din. Hehe. Mr. Donut lang ang peg. Saan yung music galing? O, yan na to. Amo ulit. Uy, may isang donut. Kunin mo na yung donut. Ito ba ako galing? Uy, oh my god! Si Nemesis! Wait. Wait. Can I go back in? No. No, patay ka na. Go low ka, girl. Just run, baby girl. Run. Nasaan na yun? No, I don't need you. I don't need you right now, please. I don't need you right now. Nasaan na siya? Wait, nasaan na si Nemesis? Kailangan ko lang umakyat. Oh my god! Nakainan niya lang! Okay, I'm panicking. I'm panicking. I died? I died! I died. Okay, let's go out. Oops. Dito ba ako galing? Um, Saan na yung stairs? Oh no. Wait. Oo nga siya nga si ate girl. Wala na siya. Oh no. Hindi na ako Okay, so kailangan ko talagang i-face si Nemesis. Okay, fine. Ikaw muna, ate girl. Oh my god. Ito, nagpapanik na ako. Ay, alam ko na. Wait, try ko nga yung legs. Wait, ang pangit ng shots ko. Chill. Ah, ayaw pumasok? Yun. May isa pa. Yun, naputol din. Time to get the shotgun. I'm sorry, Jill. You're limping na. Wait, ito ba yun? Ito yun. Use. Shotgun! Ah! Oh my... Fuck. Wala akong... Oh my god. So, anong gagawin ko? What should I do? Okay. Alang-alang sa shotgun. Yay! Hahaha. Shotgun! Let's do this. From here pala, nararamdaman ko ng may zombing gustong lumabas. Dito ata. Ayun. Come here, baby boy. Come here. Boom! Oh, scary! Okay. Haha. Patay ka na talaga. Dito, may something ba dito? Ah, ito nga pala yung kanina. Okay, never mind. Let's go, let's go. Ay, fuck. Wala akong space. Wait. Parang may dapat akong puntahan dito. Ayun, ito nga pala. Oops. One shot. Two shot. Two shot. Okay. Ano to? Ah! Shotgun shells. Hand grenade. Ay, naglalakad. Ayoko na. I'll just run. So, walang something dito. Yun lang. Anyway, ayoko na. Ayoko na po. Let's go, let's go. Wala nga pala. Wala pa rin. Okay, let's do this. Ayan na, Nemesis. Sinabog niya yung ulo. Oh my god. Ay! Ayoko na po. Oh, bakit? Shotgun! Oh! Please, dodge! Dodge, please. Just dodge, girl. Run! Just run! Run! Ano ba? Uy! Nakakahiya. Run. Pwede bang ano? Grenade? Another grenade. Ay! 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 May zombie! Run! Just run! Oh my god, wala na akong... Anyway. Wala na akong herb. Wait. Panic na ako. Use this one. Use. Go, takbo! Takbo! Ay! Shit! Ano ba yan? Bakit yan? Dapat yung shotgun. Ay, yung shotgun. Oh my god, yun yung tapos ng demo. Ah! 37 minutes, 1 death. Dolls destroyed. Wait, may benting laruan doon? Okay, so that's the end of the RE3 Remake demo. Oh my god. Thank you for watching.